Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Gupta and I enrolled in the placement training program at Durand during my final year. And I want to share how the overall journey was for me. So when I started the course, my fundamentals were not very good. So I began everything from the ground level and explained concepts in a very clear and practical way. The main thing is the example he used to give were very effective and very simple. They helped me understand topics that earlier felt confusing. Along with the programming basics, he also taught us tools like Git, something that is very essential today. Learning it early made me feel much more confident. We also covered DSA basics, basic Python and interview strategy, and how to present ourselves professionally, including LinkedIn optimization. So something that is very essential for securing a good job. Over time, I could see my understanding improving, my approach became more structured, my confidence increased, and I felt more prepared for technical discussions. The transition from the first to the last week was genuinely noticeable. All of this had a direct impact on my campus interview, and as a result, I secured a good placement. The clarity I gained during this course was really reflected in my performance. So, I would genuinely recommend students to join this kind of structured placement training. And not just this, I would recommend all the courses taught by Aditya sir. So, because the teaching quality and the clarity he provides are extremely and genuinely helpful for students. Thank you.